Let me show you how to fix your broken makeup with the FIXY kit. We're going to lift the top two sections off and put them aside. Dump your broken makeup onto the screen and use the pick end of the scraper to help. Grab the grinder, it's the black round tool, and grind the powder through the screen. Use the flat end of the scraper or the brush to get as much as you can through the screen. Lift off the screen and set it aside. Choose a tin. Now, let's pour the powder into the tin using the brush to help. You can also give it a light shake and a tap to level it out, but don't lift it. Grab the FIXY binder and give it a couple sprays from about 5 inches above. You want it to be damp, not wet. Use the lid to press and hold for about 10 seconds. Lift the holes, and your makeup is now ready to use. Look, no color change. Your FIXY makeup kit made your makeup as good as new.